Okay, so just yesterday this came out. It's Ultima III. Somebody programmed for the VIC-20. So I'm going to go ahead and load it up here. I do the standard load command. And I'm running this through an SDIEC. You can see it's going to load through that as opposed to a 1541 disk drive. We're going to go in here to CBM. And then we're going to go down to VIC-20. And then we're going to go down to U for Ultima. And we're going to go to VIC-20 Ultima III. This is absolutely amazing that someone was able to do this. Takes a minute to load. I didn't think it was actually going to work, but wow, I was pleasantly surprised. So in order to do this, I of course have the SDIEC. I also have the Penultimate II cartridge because you need 35K to run this. So this cartridge makes it think that it has 35K or adds RAM or whatever the hell it does. I don't know. Whatever, it works. Because the standard VIC-20 had like 5K. And it's loading. There we go. Look at that. Aleski Eeben. What a genius. 2025. Literally just came out yesterday. We're going to go ahead and just journey onward. I'm going to make some players later. But, so I got the VIC-20 going into my Commodore monitor. I then split it left and right audio because you know you only got mono on that. Listen to that sound. This is simply amazing that this is on a Commodore, Commodore VIC-20. For enter the dungeon. Well, I don't think I have any torches, or let me see if I ignite torch. It's dark. Ignite a torch, player 1. It's dark, none left. Player 2. Well, apparently I need to buy some torches. We'll climb out of here. Look at this. This is working on a VIC-20. Absolutely incredible.